Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Settings and moving straight to Apps. This saves time. Tap the search icon and type Apps or Running Services to jump there. Once done, make sure you have screen access and at least 10% battery so the device won't sleep mid-check. If developer options are off, you don't need them for basic checks, but if you plan deeper inspection, enable developer options in About Phone first. Now, navigate into the Apps list to see active entries. Once in the Apps list, you'll choose See All Apps and scan for apps marked running or active. This shows what's using resources now. Make sure to enable Show System from the three-dot menu if you need system processes, otherwise focus on user apps. Tap an app to view its details. You'll see battery usage, memory, and whether it's foreground or background. If you need continuous monitoring, use developer options, running services, or a third-party tool. To finish, stop offending apps. Tap Force Stop or Uninstall if an app misbehaves, and then monitor battery or memory to confirm improvement. If the problem persists, reboot into safe mode to see whether a third-party app is the culprit. This isolates system apps. Make sure to back up important data before clearing app data or removing apps, because that action is irreversible. If nothing helps, a factory reset remains a last resort, but try safe mode and targeted uninstalls first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.